Do you ever just feel like your focus is completely shattered? Like even a 5-minute task feels impossible. What if I told you that there's one ridiculously simple habit that could double or even triple your focus? And most people completely overlook it. Hi, my name is Mark, and over the past couple of years, I've tested countless productivity hacks and focus strategies. But this one technique, it's the easiest and most effective thing that I found for restoring razor-sharp attention. So what's the problem here? We're training our brains to constantly crave micro rewards. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all of these platforms are conditioning us to change tasks every 15 seconds. And the result? Your focus muscle is fried. And I get it, it happened to me too. It would get to a point where even sitting down for just a 10-minute task would feel unbearable. I'd convince myself that I was being productive by checking out my emails, scrolling through Instagram, and just pretending to work. But here's what hit me. Focus is a skill, not a given. And like any skill, you can train it. And another problem that we face as human beings is trying to tackle everything at once instead of starting small. So here's what I did. I started with a deceptively simple challenge. For 90 minutes, I commit to just one activity, but it had to be something engaging, like reading a book, solving a puzzle, or watching a full-length movie without interruptions. That's right, a full-length movie. And here's why it worked. It forces your brain to learn how to sit with a single task. Think of it like going to the gym. You wouldn't lift 300 pounds on day one, but over time, you'll get stronger. So here's what we can do. Number 1, pick one activity that's just challenging enough to hold your attention. 2, set a timer. Start with 20 minutes and then go up to 90. Check out the Pomodoro technique. And 3, eliminate distractions completely. Just put your phone in another room, please. And remember that, again, it's not about perfection. Some days will be harder than others, but consistency is the real game changer. If you want to take this further, then join my free community below. We're all trying to inspire and help each other grow, and most importantly, beat procrastination and change our life. Until next time.